Thank you for your purchase of F1 Ride-On car. This beautiful kids car comes with attractive looks and some unique features of comfort and style. There are beautiful lightings and broad wheelbase makes it comfortable and sturdy. In order to assemble this car you need to follow some simple steps. You also need a piler and screwdriver for assembling. You can assemble the car by using these parts. Step 1. Take the main body and fix wheels to it on both sides, with the help of quarter pin. Now place wheel caps below the wheels which makes it look attractive. It's time to place the steering to the main body. Fix it to the body by using nuts and bolts. In the third step, place 3 AAA batteries to the body to activate attractive lights and music. Close the battery cap with the help of screw. Don't forget to connect wires to the connector to activate lights and music. In the last step, place the seat to the main body. Your beautiful F1 Ride-On car is now ready to use.